And now, on a sad note, the family of Okwoloko of Obagoji village, Oji, Enugwu-Ukwu in Njikoka local government area of Anambra State, has completed the final burial rites of their mother, the late Mrs. Justina Nwankele Okwoloko. The late Mrs. Okwoloko was aged 81. Our correspondent, Blessing Dennis, reports.
The funeral rites attracted people from all walks of life, including Catholic Men Organization (CMO), Catholic Women Organization (CWO), friends and well-wishers of the late Mrs. Okwoloko and her family. There were tributes to the legacy of late Mrs. Okwoloko as the community came together to honor and remember her and remind the mourners of the values and virtues she upheld throughout her lifetime. The deceased was said to be a devoted Christian who touched many lives through her kindness, compassion, and unwavering support, as she was known for her involvement in various charitable activities and her dedication to helping those in need. Reverend Father Jude Ozumba, who officiated the Mass, described the late Mrs. Okwoloko as a testament to the values of love, compassion, and service to others. Father Ozumba said, "Death is not the end but a transition to a new beginning," assuring the family and her loved ones that late Mrs. Okwoloko will continue to live on the hearts of those she touched.
For posterity.
Speaking at the event, the son of the deceased, Chief Chinedu Okwoloko, expressed gratitude for the outpour of love and support to the family, while they grieved their mother's demise and hope that the community will forever remember her as a symbol of compassion and love, while praying to God to accept her soul in heaven. Also speaking, a family member of the late Mrs. Okwoloko, Chief Austin Ogwejofo, while offering his condolences, explained the significant contributions the deceased made during her lifetime. In an interview, the grandsons of the deceased, Mr. Kelvin and Matthias Okwoloko, said they would deeply miss their grandmother's love, describing her as a woman of virtue. In her remark, the daughter-in-law of the deceased, Mrs. Okamaka Okwoloko, said her mother-in-law's legacy will forever be a source of inspiration to her and all who has the privilege of knowing her. Some of the friends of the family, relatives, in-laws, and well-wishers from all walks of life who spoke to ABS on the life of late Mrs. Okwoloko eulogized her as a woman who lived a life worthy of emulation. The late family of late Mrs. Okwoloko, relations, in-laws, and well-wishers used the occasion to pay condolences to the deceased family. From Enugwu-Ukwu in Njikoka local council area, Blessing Dennis, ABS News.